Welcome to stayquizzin. 10 seconds. One word. Can you guess it, or will you miss it? Before we drop it, hit that sub button. You ready? Let's go. A sweet tropical fruit with rough skin. Can you guess it? The answer is pineapple, a sweet and juicy tropical fruit. A warm, cozy place in winter. What's it called? The answer is fireplace, a place that keeps you warm with fire. Soft glow from the night sky. What is it? The answer is moonlight, soft light shining from the moon. A sea creature shaped like a star. Can you guess? The answer is starfish, a star-shaped sea animal. A popular drink made from dairy. What is it? The answer is buttermilk, a tangy dairy drink. A tall yellow plant that loves sunlight. Can you guess? The answer is sunflower, a bright yellow flower that follows the sun. A winter figure made from snow. What's it called? The answer is snowman, a fun snow figure made in winter. A popular sport played with a ball. Which one? The answer is football, the world's most popular sport. Keeps you dry in rain. What is it? The answer is raincoat, a waterproof coat for rainy days. A shop that sells books. What is it? The answer is bookstore, where you buy and read books. A tiny insect that glows. Can you guess? The answer is firefly, a small insect that glows at night. A small home for your pet. What is it? The answer is doghouse, a little house for a dog. A ball sport with hoops. Which one? The answer is basketball, a sport played with hoops and a ball. Where do you sleep at night? The answer is bedroom, the room where you rest and sleep. A sandy place near the ocean. What is it? The answer is seashore, the sandy area next to the sea. A place where students learn. What is it? The answer is classroom, a place for learning and teaching. A rope for walking a dog. What is it? The answer is dog leash, used to walk a dog safely. Used to talk and text. What is it? The answer is mobile phone, used to call and send messages. A small boat shaped like a bird. What is it? The answer is swan boat, a boat shaped like a swan. A sticky web made by an insect. What is it? The answer is spider web, built by spiders to catch prey. A colorful arc after rain. What is it? The answer is rainbow, a colorful arc that appears after rain. A room where you eat meals. What is it? The answer is dining room, a room where you eat your meals. What starts your car? The answer is car key, used to start or open a car. Shoes for climbing mountains. What are they? The answer is hiking boot, shoes for mountain climbing. For listening to music quietly. What is it? The answer is headphone, for listening to music privately. Used to clean hands. What is it? The answer is hand soap, used to wash and clean hands. Helps you read better. What are they? The answer is reading glass, used to read things clearly. Worn for safety at work. What is it? The answer is safety vest, worn for protection at work. used to click on a computer. What is it? The answer is computer mouse, used to control a computer. Clothes for business work. What is it? The answer is business suit, formal clothes for work. You use it every day to keep teeth clean. What is it? The answer is toothbrush, used to keep your teeth healthy and clean. Wine made from this fruit. What is it? The answer is grapevine, a plant that grows grapes. A chair used at the beach. What is it? The answer is beach chair, used to relax at the beach. A room for family gatherings. What is it? The answer is living room, for relaxing and family time. Keeps your items safe. What is it? The answer is lockbox, used to keep things secure. Moves on tracks. What is it? The answer is railroad, where trains travel. A doctor who cares for teeth. Who is it? The answer is tooth doctor, also called a dentist. Used to write down ideas and notes. What is it? The answer is notebook, for writing and keeping records. Used to smooth and style your hair. What is it? The answer is hairbrush, used to comb and style your hair. A small golden pet fish. What is it? The answer is goldfish, a small golden pet fish. A tower with a guiding light. What is it? The answer is lighthouse, a tower that guides ships. A small bag carried in hand. What is it? The answer is handbag, a small bag carried in your hand. Glasses to block sunlight. What are they? The answer is sunglass, glasses that protect your eyes from sunlight. A ring-shaped fried snack. What is it? The answer is onion ring, a ring-shaped fried snack. Final one. A box that holds milk. What is it? The answer is milk carton, a box used to hold milk. Congratulations! You completed the quiz with a perfect score. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting quizzes and challenges.